can simply use AI. Now, the next AI is one that I've mentioned in a previous video, but it may just be the most useful AI on this list, and that's Microsoft's Copilot. Copilot directly complements Microsoft's entire suite of products. That means it's able to do everything from analyzing Excel spreadsheets to making full-blown PowerPoints. I mean, Copilot can even transcribe notes during a Microsoft team meeting and provide you with a summary of the key points and action items, and even execute on the actions itself. So let's say one of those action items was to make a presentation. Copilot is able to create a tailor-made presentation to your desired branding guidelines. I mean, we've all made a PowerPoint presentation before. That alone can literally save you hours. Copilot also knows your calendar and therefore can prepare you for upcoming meetings. It can even generate reports and other Word documents based on previous work. And of course, it can also reply to all of your emails for you. Copilot is one of the best examples of AI making your workflow more seamless and more efficient. It's an AI tool that anyone can take advantage of, regardless of their occupation. And especially if you ever use one of Microsoft's products, well then Copilot will be useful to you. Whether you need to make a pitch deck for your clients or analyze last quarter's profitability, Copilot can help.